Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see, we have Uniswap. Uniswap is sitting at 10.75, okay, and $10.75 at the moment ATM, and we are 1% up for the day. On the 4 hour time frame, this is how it looks like. So, like, you cannot say that we have not kind of get the yesterday's prediction kind of correct. Okay, I know, like, it's all over the place, but I'm just going to believe. So, first of all, what happened right here is we mitigated this big demand. Okay, we mitigated it. Still, we have some liquidity below it and all that. Okay, if I want to take the prices higher, I'm gonna wait for confirmation to go above this high to make this new higher high. You feel me? But we can see that we broke through some substructure, but after we broke through here, I can see the price go lower. Right? I could see the price go lower. So yeah, for the short term, believe something like that could happen. And about like that's gonna be about it for Uniswap, but overall for the long term, as I said, right now, like I'm going to try to look for a beautiful and mitigated the money area here. Yeah, I think that we went for this small areas right here, and as you can see, like these were all mitigated and all that. But yeah, like right now we're trying to look for something that's below here. Now I can go with this, but I think personally I don't think that, and I don't believe that the price will go that like super that low. Let's go 45 minutes if we can find something there. I think that we're like solid at the moment. We're just gonna wait for some confirmation to take the prices higher. So I'm gonna mark up this month right here, and we're gonna see how this will play out here. So have a wonderful day. Peace out. Goodbye, and I will keep you guys updated. And join the Discord community where I send you free analysis. Peace out.